Have you ever opened a Linux terminal, typed a command with complete confidence, only to be greeted by command not found like the computer had never heard of you? Or accidentally listed every file on your system when all you wanted was to open one folder? And let's be honest, every Linux beginner has stared at a blinking cursor hoping it magically explains what to type next. But here's the truth. The terminal isn't something to fear, it's one of the most powerful tools an ethical hacker can learn. Master a handful of essential commands and you'll navigate systems faster, troubleshoot problems more efficiently, and build the foundation for professional cybersecurity skills. Today we're counting down the top 10 Linux commands every ethical hacker should know, explaining what each command does, why it matters, and showing practical examples you can safely practice in your own lab. If you're passionate about cybersecurity, ethical hacking, Linux, and building real-world technical skills, smash that like button, comment. Which Linux command do you use the most? And subscribe because this channel helps future cybersecurity professionals level up every single week. Number 10, PWD. Where am I? One of the first mistakes beginners make is forgetting where they are. The PWD command stands for Print Working Directory. Type PWD. It instantly shows your current location in the file system. Imagine exploring hundreds of folders. Without PWD, it's easy to get lost. Professional ethical hackers constantly check their location before creating, deleting, or moving files. Knowing where you are prevents costly mistakes. Number 9. See what's inside. Before opening a folder, you usually want to know what's inside it. Use ls. Want more details? Use lsl. Want to see hidden files? Hidden files often begin with a period. These files frequently contain important system configurations. Learning to inspect directories quickly is a skill every Linux user develops. Number 8. CD. Move around the system. Linux navigation revolves around one simple command: CD examples, CD documents, CD downloads. Return to your home folder. CD. Move back one folder. CD. Ethical hackers spend much of their time navigating project folders, log files, and security tools. The faster you move through directories, the more productive you become. Number 7. mkdir. Create new directories. Organization matters. Create a folder with mkdir. Cyberlab. Need multiple folders? mkdir. Reports. Tools, scripts. Keeping projects organized makes investigations easier and prevents confusion later. Professional workflows begin with good organization. Number 6. CP. Copy files safely. Instead of risking your only copy, duplicate it. Example: cp notes.txt, backup notes.txt. Need to copy an entire directory? cp r project backup. Creating backups before making changes is a habit every cybersecurity professional should develop. If you're still watching, comment. Linux mode activated. And don't forget to like and subscribe because the 5 most useful commands are coming next, and one of them could save you hours of work. Number 5. MV. Move or rename files. The MV command has 2 jobs: move files, rename files. Rename: MV old.txt, new.txt. Move: MV report, txt. Documents: simple.fast, essential. Number 4. Cat. Read file contents. Need to quickly read a text file? Type cat file name.txt. This displays the contents directly inside the terminal. Security analysts frequently inspect configuration files, notes, and log files without opening a graphical editor. Sometimes the terminal is the fastest option. Number 3. grep. Find what matters. Large files contain thousands of lines. Searching manually wastes time. Instead use grep error logfile.txt. Only matching lines appear. Need to search for usernames, IP addresses, specific keywords? grep becomes one of your best friends. Professionals use it constantly while reviewing logs and troubleshooting systems. Number 2. Find. Locate files anywhere. Can't remember where you saved something? Linux can search for it. Example: find name report.txt. Instead of opening dozens of folders, Linux searches for you. The larger your projects become, the more valuable this command is. Number 1. Man, your built-in Linux teacher. Even experienced Linux users don't memorize every command. They use documentation. Example, man ls or man grep. The man command opens the official manual for almost every Linux command installed on your system. Learning how to read documentation is one of the biggest differences between beginners and professionals. Professionals don't know everything. They know where to find reliable answers. Master these Linux commands, practice safely, and build your ethical hacking skills. Like, comment your favorite command, subscribe, and stay secure.